So I'm going to start demoing this bathroom. Main reason is I can't find any replacement tubs that are the same size. It's an odd size. It's like 54 inches or 54 and a half inches from end to end. There are some in the mobile home supply stores, but the main issue is if you look, well, maybe you can't see it on there, but the difference is a good 6 inches from the floor up to the top. So if I got in here and I'm 6'1", you see that shower head is just way too close, and the ceilings are only 7 foot tall in the first place. So I'm going to tear that out and probably do a curbless shower, and see if that does it a little better, and maybe raise up the shower head just another couple inches just to do a rainfall shower, and I was going to try to keep everything that's in there, but the problem is this mobile home drywall is so thin. It's I think it's 3/8, and the go board that I'm going to get for the shower surround is 1/2 inch. So I'm just going to gut this whole bathroom, put new drywall in, and essentially just redo everything, and we'll see how it goes. It's my first time doing this, so follow along with me and we'll see how well it goes or how terrible it goes. Share all the mistakes that I make along the way, and let's get after it. So I got the tub out, and if you look, you can see how much height we lost. Right about 6 inches. So getting something at ground level or in the floor is going to make things a whole lot better with these short 7-foot ceilings than sitting up. And there's a crawl space right under here, so I'll have no problem at all getting in here, putting the drain where I want. With the orientation, I'm actually going to have to flip the PEX lines over to this wall so that I can put in a glass partition and have it to where the water's not, or the shower door is not on the other side. Because again, it's just a weird space, and I could get custom shower doors, but I'm trying to do this on a budget. I'm trying to keep this under $1,500 or so. This whole thing is on a budget. I'm trying to do this as cheaply as possible, but make it look as nice as I can. Again, I'll share those costs with you, and hopefully we'll stay under budget, and I'll let you guys know. I might take a little break here for the day. I don't know why they put this back behind the whatever kind of board that was, like a particle board, but it's actually glued in to the studs. So to get this off, I'm going to have to get my multi-tool and run it up along the glue after I pull it out from in between the stud bays. I think this is a good stopping point for today, and and I'll update the video when I continue on.